Hey there, fellow writers and content creators. Welcome back to AI Reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of TextCortex, a powerful AI writing assistant that's here to transform your writing game. If you ever struggled with writer's block or wanted to enhance your content creation process, you're in the right place. But before we get started, I got a special treat just for you. Below, you'll find a link to access TextCortex for free, so you can experience its creative magic firsthand. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your writing journey. TextCortex isn't just another writing tool, it's your handy writing companion. Let's explore its innovative features. First, let's get an overview of TextCortex. It is designed to please all aspects of content generation. It's user-friendly and equipped with a powerful AI that understands fine language distinctions. At its core, TextCortex is all about making writing experience better. The design ensures that you can use it without a hitch, no matter what your writing skills are. Let's talk about the rephrasing tool. It's your solution when something just doesn't sound right in your writing. It gives you alternative suggestions to reword text, and it's not limited to TextCortex. It works across various platforms like Gmail and Google Docs. Next up, the bullet to email tool. Writing compelling emails is a breeze with this feature. Just write down 3 bullet points and TextCortex generates persuasive email content, saving you time and effort. If you're into long-term form content, you'll love the long-form creation tool. It helps you turn scattered ideas into polished blog posts or articles so you can focus on what truly matters, creating exceptional content. Need the perfect word? TextCortex synonym suggestion feature is here to help. It makes word choice easy and even offers translations in multiple languages, making it a global writing companion. TextCortex New Creation Studio is a hub of creativity. It covers everything from emails and social media to e-commerce, blog posts, and more, with over 60 AI templates to choose from. TextCortex doesn't stop at the individual writing, it promotes teamwork too. Real-time collaboration, task assignment, and version control streamline the content creation process, making teamwork more efficient. And if you're a web writer, TextCortex browser extension is a game changer. It lets you rephrase and rewrite sentences on over 1,000 websites, including Gmail and Google Docs. Plus, it's free to install. Now you're wondering about the cost. TextCortex offers value-packed pricing plans. Plans start at just $29.99 a month with unlimited credits. There's also a free plan that you can use using our link below. I'll guide you through a 5-step process on how to register and utilize TextCortex like a pro. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First, start by clicking the link below to visit TextCortex AI website. Next, hit Get Started for Free button. Sign up with your email and create a secure password for your account, or simply do it by using your Gmail account. After gaining access, take a moment to explore the user interface. Familiarize yourself with the available features and options. Are you ready to craft your masterpiece? Click on Paraphraser and Rewriter tool. Enter a text you wish to paraphrase or just upload a PDF file. Now it's time to get creative. Input your instructions or descriptions for the content you want to create. Be clear, set the tone, consider your audience, use keywords, and provide context to get better results. Click Generate to let TextCortex work its magic. After generating, make it yours by adding your style, experimenting with variations, fine-tuning details, and collaborating if needed. If necessary, you can further refine and edit the content using inbuilt tools. To sum it up, TextCortex is your ultimate writing companion. Whether you're battling writer's block or looking to enhance your writing style, TextCortex has you covered. Thanks for joining us today, and if you found this content useful, make sure to smash that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop your thoughts in the comments section. Stay locked in for more exciting tech adventures, and until we meet again, keep writing and keep unleashing your creativity.